Hello everyone. Please don't skip the video. Have a look at this. Let me explain about the checkpoints. Checkpoints are generally seen in the G1 and S phase between and then G2 to M phase transforming. So what are these actually checkpoints? Checkpoint duty is to check whether the cells are properly aligned or whether the chromosomes are present or without any mutations, any damage is there, irreparable things are present or absent. Such type of things will be observed in the checkpoints. What does exactly the checkpoint contains? Checkpoint contains a specialized protein called as a cyclin. Okay, and this get activated once the G1 is finished. Then it is been activated by the another enzyme called as a kinase enzymes. These kinase enzymes will get activated only in the presence of the cyclin. So they are depending on the cyclin. So we are calling this as a cyclin dependent kinase enzyme. So this cyclin dependent kinase CDKs we can call it. They get activated only in the presence of the cyclin. Okay, once the cyclin is present, they get activated. How they activated is they take the energy from the ATP, that too they add up the phosphate group to the proteins, so that cyclin dependent and cyclin dependent kinases with the phosphate all together will come and will check the cell whether they are properly arranged or not. Then afterwards G1 is properly arranged, then they will move the G1 phase cell to the S phase. After once it is getting into the S phase, later on cyclin proteins are getting degenerated. Even kinase enzyme which is dependent on the cyclin is also getting degenerated. They'll move. That process is finished. Then the cell enter into the G2 phase. Then after the finishing of this, like tubulin protein synthesis and also RNA synthesis, protein synthesis, and also most of the cell organelle duplication, if it is successfully finished, then there is again another type of the cyclin proteins will come. Then they will activate this CDK cyclin dependent kinase enzyme again will bring the phosphate. So all three of them together will work on the cell. Then the cell, they will check whether properly arranged or not there. Then they will send back to the M phase. Later again these also will get degenerated. Then in the M phase, like metaphase promoting factors and also anaphase promoting factors will be present. There were two more small checkpoints will be present. So this is how the checkpoints will be taking place, and they are controlling the complete cell division. If irreparable things are there, programmed cell death will be present. Apoptosis also we can call it. Thank you for